Hey guys, so today I'm guided to talk about gratitude and why you should practice this as many times as you possibly can during the day because gratitude is a high vibrational frequency. The emotion frequencies is provided in the appendix of my first book, The Finance Doctor's Tips and Tricks What You Don't Know Can Hurt You. Gratitude does not show in the scale specifically, but I would think that that will be close to 500 hertz near the emotion of joy, which is 540 hertz in the scale. Very high vibe. The reason why it's important to practice gratitude is because when you are thankful about something in your life, universe loves that. So when you're in the state of gratitude, the more of what you want in life flows to you effortlessly. So just to give you an example of some of the little things I'm grateful for. A few days ago, I flew from Chicago, and when I reached my destination, the gentleman who sat behind me actually took my carry-on luggage from the compartment. Why is that a big deal to me? Because it's hard to pull the bag down when you're short like me. So small things like that means a lot to me. Another thing, after I claimed my check-in bag from the carousel, I headed down to the rental car counter only to find that no one is there. But there was a sign to go to the counter in the garage across the street. It was about 1:30 a.m. at that time. So with my two luggages, I felt like I was circling around the area for a while, trying to find exactly where to go until I ran into an airport staff. So I asked her where to go. She did not give me the direction. She instead took me directly to the rental car counter in the garage across the street. So, who does that nowadays, right? Of course, I'm grateful for that. It's very important that you're always aware of your emotion because whatever emotion frequency you are tuned in determines your next experience. So, for example, if you are vibrating low, i.e., fear, worry, guilt, shame, anger, don't expect the next experience to be a high vibrational experience. If you are vibrating at a low frequency, you will attract low vibe people and experiences. That's how it works. So focus on finding ways to be grateful all the time. Little things matter. Universe loves that. So I challenge you to practice gratitude in the next 7 days and let me know what kind of results you receive. Pay attention to the people you are meeting and the experiences because nothing is by accident. Okay. All right, guys. Until next time. See you guys soon.